Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Bathing Ape or BAPE t-shirt. And this was purchased in New York City. So it's black, size medium. Here's the information on the shirt. Oh, yeah, this was purchased in their SOHO location in Manhattan. So they're one of their exclusive t-shirts there. Here's the tag, BAPE, Bathing Ape. Interesting, the white and purple. So, Bathing Ape, logo there, logo on the sleeve. I remember the back had something exclusive to New York. Ah, there we go. New York SOHO BAPE. So yeah, cool exclusive t-shirt specifically for this location. And yeah, pretty cool BAPE shirt. Let me know what you guys think of this shirt in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.